Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchopagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Kunzi determines to pick up where Mr. Twala left off, and he reminds himself on the accident when he dies on the poisoning. Nunca drops a bomb on her family. He tells the family that they must go back on the flat and leave the stays because he don't have money to pay these stays. While Pop Mbata is on a new time higher after launching his holy product, and it seems like church members they like it the product of Mbata. While Vega bond with his father. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.